In the past, the making and binding of photo albums were done manually or using a thermal layer machine, which were very expensive and time-consuming, and were also associated with human error. Devices that worked using heating elements had a lot of side costs, including high electricity consumption. Laminated cardboard used in making albums is not always available. At present, many album makers were making and binding photo albums by hand and spending a lot of time. By eliminating manpower and using iron glue and cardboard instead of layered cardboard, glue sheet, this machine has reduced the cost and time of making and binding photo albums and increased the accuracy of production. The speed of making and binding photo albums in this machine is very high. The robotic binding machine for photo albums includes pneumatic jacks, DC motors, step motors, gears, air transfer hoses, suction fans, fully automatic spray gun, glue and solvent tank, and electronic section. How the device works. After connecting the air pump to the device and turning on the device, we put the photos and cardboards in the input tank of the device. Then we reset the device by pressing the reset key. After pressing the reset key, the device starts to reset and all the jacks and motors go to their original place. Then we enter the size and number of photos through the keyboard and LCD. Finally, the machine starts to work and thickens the photos by gluing the cardboard and gluing the photos to each other. First, a jack is activated to sort photos and papers in the input tank. Then, another jack removes the photos and cardboards by the vacuum installed on it and places them on the transfer screen of the device. 5 suction fans are installed under the transfer plate. These fans prevent the photos and cardboards from shaking during the gluing process. Then, according to the number and size of the photos taken by the user, the device starts to glue and thicken the photos. In this way, all the photos are placed on top of each other and all the cardboards are placed on the photos with a difference of 1 mm from the end of each photo. The actual speed of this device is 5 times the speed you see in this video. In order to clearly see the operation of the device, the operating speed of the device has been reduced while recording this video. Gluing is not done on the last cardboard, and the transfer plate moves to the output tank, where the jack press is activated, and the photos and glued cardboard are placed under the press. After 7 to 8 minutes, the jack press is deactivated and the buzzer informs the user about the completion of the work by making a sound.